There are two types of travelers, the ones who glide through the airport and the ones fighting their suitcases at every corner. Wheels stuck, zippers struggling, trying to sit on the bag just to close it. And the crazy part, most of that comes down to the luggage you choose. Not the flight, not the destination. The bag. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Epic Deals. If you're traveling internationally this year, whether it's a quick trip or a long haul, these are the top 5 luggage bags in 2026 that actually make traveling easier. Starting at number 1, we have the Away Bigger Carry-On. This is the suitcase you see someone using and immediately know that they travel a lot. It's designed for people who want to move through airports smoothly, and you feel it the moment you start rolling it. The wheels are quiet, super smooth, and don't fight you when you're turning corners or rushing through terminals. But the real magic is inside. There's a compression system that lets you pack more than you think you should be able to. So instead of sitting on your suitcase trying to zip it closed, you actually organize properly and it just fits. It's also a lightweight polycarbonate shell, TSA lock built in, and designed to meet most airline carry-on limits. This is perfect for those 4 to 7 day trips where you don't want to check a bag. Now, that's perfect for shorter trips. But what if you're going away longer or packing for more than just yourself? We have the Samsonite Freeform large checked luggage, the reliable checked bag. This is the kind of luggage you check in and don't worry about. Because let's be honest, once your baggage disappears on the conveyor belt, you have no control. So durability matters. This one uses a hard polypropylene shell, which holds up well against scratches and rough handling. And airlines are not gentle. Inside, it's built for space. You've got a bigger open interior, straps to hold everything down, and dividers to keep things organized. And the wheels? This is important. They're oversized spinner wheels, which means even when the bag is heavy, it still rolls smoothly. It's also surprisingly light for its size, which helps with weight limits. Now, some people prefer hard shell, but others swear by soft luggage. Next up, we have the Travelpro Maxlite 5, the lightweight traveler's favorite. This is the bag for someone who moves a lot. Airports, connections, different cities. You want something light, flexible, and easy to handle. This suitcase is noticeably lighter than most, and you feel that when lifting it into overhead bins, running between gates, or just navigating crowded spaces. It's also expandable, so if you come back with more than you're left with, you've got that extra room. The material is soft but durable, water-resistant coating, strong zippers, and reinforced structure. And the layout is practical. Pockets where you actually need them, not just for show. This is one of those bags that don't just look flashy, but once you use it, you get it. Now, let's go even bigger, because sometimes you're not packing light at all. Next up, we have the Swissgear Sion Spinner Luggage. Max space, max value. This is for those trips where you're packing everything. Long vacations, family travel, or just not wanting to leave anything behind. The biggest advantage here is space. It expands, has multiple compartments, and gives you a lot of flexibility in how you pack. And because it's soft side, you can push it a bit, which matters when you're trying to fit just one more thing. And the wheels roll smoothly even when it's full, and the handles are reinforced, which is important when the bag gets heavy. This is not a minimalist bag. This is a bring everything and don't stress bag. Now let's bring it back to something more compact. Something built for quick trips. The OGIO Alpha Layover, the weekend short trip bag. This is the bag you grab when you're in and out. 2 to 5 days, quick international trips, no need for a massive suitcase. It's compact, around 40-liter capacity, but still expandable, so you've got flexibility without the bulk. Inside, it's clean and simple. Compression straps, removable divider, and easy organization. And the outside has quick access pockets, which you only appreciate when you're digging for something at the airport. It's also built tough with reinforced corners, because those conveyor belts test your luggage. This is for someone who travels often and wants something easy, reliable, and efficient. Here's the truth. The best luggage isn't about brand. It's about how you travel. If you want premium carry-on, go for the Away Bigger Carry-On. If you need a durable check bag, go with Travelpro Maxlite 5. If you want max space, Swissgear Sion. And if you want compact efficiency, OGIO Alpha Layover. Links for all these products are in the description below. Check pricing out and what fits your travel style. And I'm curious, are you a carry-on only traveler, or do you always check a bag? Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. If this video helped, why don't you give it a like, subscribe to Epic Deals, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.